I'm sure you've heard the news. The future is here, and it's electrifying. On this channel we dive deep into the world of electronics repair and reviews, making tech accessible and exciting for everyone. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, we've got something for you. From fixing your broken gadgets to reviewing the latest tech, we cover it all with a beginner-friendly approach. Imagine fixing that old smartphone yourself, or knowing which gadget is worth your hard-earned money. Join our growing community of tech lovers where learning and fun go hand in hand. With easy-to-follow tutorials, in-depth reviews, and a splash of humor, you'll be empowered to tackle electronics like a pro. So, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because you won't want to miss our upcoming videos. Let's explore, repair, and reimagine the world of electronics together. Welcome to Electrotechnics, your go-to for electronics. Join our growing community of tech lovers where learning and fun go hand in hand. Everyone, welcome. I'm so glad you're joining me today as we embark on a journey into the fascinating world of technology. Bill Nye the Science Guy here. And while I may not be Bill Nye, I'm just as excited to explore the digital universe with you. Today let's talk about something you use every day, something that has become an indispensable part of modern life. The computer. Yes, that amazing piece of technology sitting on your desk, in your bag, or even in your pocket. A computer is an electronic machine, a marvel of engineering and ingenuity. It's a device that takes in information, works with it, manipulating data, and processing instructions with incredible speed, and gives you a result, presenting information in a way that's useful and understandable. Like a super-fast helper, always ready to assist you with any task, big or small. It follows instructions called programs, meticulously executing each command in a precise sequence. To do all sorts of things, from the mundane to the extraordinary, limited only by our imagination and the software we create. From writing reports, crafting compelling narratives, and communicating ideas effectively, to creating art, designing breathtaking visuals, and bringing imagination to life. Computers are everywhere. They're woven into the fabric of our modern existence. In your phone, connecting you to the world with a tap. Your car, guiding you safely to your destination. Even your microwave, ensuring your popcorn is perfectly popped. Understanding how they work helps you become more than just a passive consumer of technology. Not just a user, but a creator and innovator shaping the future of technology itself. The first computers were huge, filling entire rooms with their vacuum tubes and wires. But today's are small and powerful, fitting in the palm of your hand yet capable of incredible feats. Yet the core idea is the same. Processing information to solve problems and create new possibilities. A computer processes information, transforming raw data into meaningful insights. Extending the power of our minds, allowing us to achieve things we never thought possible. Ready to peek under the hood and see what makes these machines tick? Let's dive in and explore the inner workings of the computer. Every computer, whether it's a desktop, a laptop, or even a smartphone, has a core team of 4 main parts working together in harmony. These components are essential for the computer to function and perform the tasks we ask of it. First up, input. This is where our journey begins, with the ways we communicate with the machine. Input is how you tell the computer what to do. It's the starting point for every interaction. It's the bridge between your intentions and the computer's actions. Typing on a keyboard, entering text and commands, clicking a mouse, navigating menus and selecting options, or speaking into a microphone, giving voice commands or recording audio. These devices are the computer's ears and hands, allowing you to interact with it in a meaningful way. They translate your actions into a language the computer understands. Next, the CPU, the central processing unit, the heart of the computer, acts as the brain, processing information and executing instructions. The CPU takes your input, the commands you've given, and follows program instructions to figure out what to do, interpreting the code and algorithms. Like solving math problems, performing complex calculations, or launching a game, rendering graphics and managing gameplay. It's incredibly fast. A marvel of engineering, performing billions of calculations per second, making complex tasks seem effortless. The CPU works with RAM, random access memory, its short-term memory, a temporary storage space for active data, to quickly access information, ensuring smooth and efficient operation. So, input is you giving commands, telling the computer what you want it to do, and the CPU is the master processor, making it all happen, orchestrating the entire process. But how do you see the results? How does the computer communicate back to you? That's where the next team members come in, the output devices that display the processed information. Let's check them out. We'll explore how these components bring the digital world to life before your eyes. After all that processing, the computer needs a way to show you the results of its hard work. It's not much good if the computer does all this work and you can't see what it's done, right? This process of presenting information back to you, this is output. It's the way the computer communicates its findings. The most common and familiar output device is your screen, where you can see text, images, and videos. It's your primary window into the digital world. But output isn't just visual, it could also be speakers letting you hear sounds, music, or even spoken words. Or if you need a physical copy of something, a printer can provide output on paper. Output, in essence, is how the computer communicates back to you, presenting the results of its calculations and operations in a way you can understand. It's all about showing, playing, or printing your results, making the digital world accessible and useful. Now, what if you want to save your work for later use or to share it with someone else? That's where storage comes in, allowing you to preserve your digital creations. Storage is the computer's long-term memory, where it keeps all your files and programs safe and sound. A common type of storage is a hard drive, which uses spinning disks to store data. Another type is an SSD, or solid-state drive, which uses flash memory for faster access. When you save a file, whether it's a document, a picture, or a song, it's written to storage, carefully recorded so you can access it later, whenever you need it. This is permanent, meaning the data remains intact, even after the computer is turned off and unplugged. Storage keeps your files, programs, and everything you need safe and ready for use at a moment's notice. Output and storage work together, completing the computer's team, allowing you to interact with and preserve your digital world. 9. Let's see how it all works together, like making a digital sandwich. You open a word processor and start typing Jupiter. That's input. The CPU processes your typing, arranging the letters on the screen. The monitor displays your words as you type. Output. Add a picture, the CPU processes it, and the screen shows it. When you're done, you click Save. Another input. The CPU sends your report to storage, keeping it safe for next time. Input, processing, output, storage, a perfect cycle. That's how computers help you create, learn, and save your work. Science in action. Let's recap. A computer is an electronic tool that works with information using 4 key parts. Input, you give commands. Processing, the CPU thinks fast. Output, you see or hear results. Storage, your work is saved. These 4 work together in a logical cycle, powering everything from emails to games. Understanding them is the key to mastering computers. By learning this, you're not just using technology, you're ready to create with it. Computers help us solve problems and unlock creativity. Stay curious, ask questions, and explore how things work. Your adventure with computers is just beginning. Go get creative. Thanks for joining me.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take